Hello everyone, this is Iman from SAMIM Group. Here I am again with another tutorial of one of SAMIM's cards called DVD-3214. Let's see what it can do. SAMIM DVD-3214 is a 3G HD, SD, SDI and ASI video distribution amplifier which can be operated as a single and dual channel. In the event of a power failure, the input signal is transferred to the output by a bypass relay which is provided for each input. Reclocker for jitter removal and equalizer for cable loss compensation are the main capabilities of the DVD. All adjustments and controls can be applied directly by onboard dip switches and the web interface remote control. The web interface remote control and LED indicators on the front edge of the card inform the user about the operational status of the module. There are some applications about this card, such as transmission stations and control centers. It has also a couple of key features that you can find in its datasheet. So this was it, SAMIM's DVD card called 3214. Thanks for watching everyone, till the next tutorial.